ladies, it's your girl Angel, and if you click this video, it means you're ready to get your bundles in order. It means you're ready to take it out that plastic bag, comb it out, wash it, get it right, and install it back into your head. I am a licensed professional, and you already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications, and yeah, let's get into this video. I'm not here to waste your time. The first thing you want to do while you're washing your hair is boil some water. The soap I'm using is not hand soap, sis. It's actually Dr. Bronners Castile soap. I love this soap. Reasons being, it gives you a deep clean. It gets off all of the junk and gunk from your hair, even your makeup brushes, and sometimes even your skin. Not even sometimes, it does get it off your skin. I do use this soap to wash my natural hair, especially if it's been some days and I have some buildup. I love using the peppermint one on my scalp. It gives me a really good tingling sensation. I do not recommend using it on your body. If you catch what I mean, that will not be an experience you want to experience. But yeah, this soap really gets a lot of things out. I could have used the clarifying shampoo, but I love Dr. Bronners so much, so that was the shampoo or soap that I want to use. That's just my preference. If you have a clarifying shampoo that you want to use, go right ahead. If you have shampoo that you want to use, go ahead, as long as you wash your hair, because you want to get out any sand, any dead skin, any scalp gunk, anything that's just making your hair look disgusting, okay? I'm using a wide tooth comb to comb out my bundles, and I am pulling out any thread that causes any tangling or matting. It's literally the thread that was used to install my hair when I went to go get it done. This hair I used for my wedding, and I used it for my honeymoon, so it's been straightened, and it's been in the ocean, it's been in a pool, it's been in direct sunlight, it's been used, sis. Like, I mean used, okay? The conditioner I'm using is just, I think it's like from Carol or something like that. Just some box dye conditioner. Honestly, conditioner. As long as it works for you, I'm happy. This is just something I don't mind using on my bundles. Would I use it on my hair? Yeah. Why? Because it's a conditioner. Conditions, duh. But yeah, so as you can see here, I am just pulling out some threads. I'm going through the weft, and I am just repeating the steps that you saw in the beginning. And after I do this, you'll see that I will get into some real mess, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. Some real mess. So this is not the real mess that I was going to tell you guys about. I just want to elaborate on this part. I just put the boiling water into a basin with the hair. The only thing that I did forget to say about this hair is that I did put a rinse in. My hair is like jet black. Thank you, Mom, and all my Indian ancestors. But my hair is like really dark. Like, I feel like it's a true number one. So some of the rinse is like coming off of the hair. I didn't want to use permanent color because I didn't want the curl texture to change, because that would just be a hot mess, especially if I wanted it to match my natural texture. This right here is the hot mess and the mess I was talking about. Look at it. Those wefts are knotted, okay? But I'll show you how I got through it. I literally, after I had the bundle sit in boiling water, I took it, I combed it out, and then I just took my time. I literally took a Rattail comb. I worked my ways from the bottoms to the top. Then sometimes I used it from the tops because I knew the bottom was already combed out. Nonetheless, I just took my time. I knew I was going to lose hair, and I was not upset about that, because I'm like, in real life, we shed hair. The wefts are going to shed. I hate when girls are like, oh, I hate when my hair sheds. Listen, sweetheart, hair sheds, period, whether it's on your natural scalp or on some wefts, okay? You just have to be okay with it. If you're not, you're living unrealistically. But anywho, I took my time, used a Rattail comb, combed it out, and then I folded the wefts into each other, so that way when I put it to dry, it's all, it's all neat. I combed it out one more time with a wide tooth Denman brush. I love this brush. It's the best. You should get you one, sis. But yeah, that's what I did, and that's how I restored my hair from looking like this to looking as if it was brand new bundles, just washed. I also had a bundle that I didn't install into my hair for my wedding, because it just would have been too much, and my head is big, but I really didn't need it because I had some leave out at the top. But anyways, that's how you wash and restore your hair from being in the sand, in the sun, in the ocean, and in some chlorine, sis. If you like this video, like I said in the beginning, be my friend, because I want to be your friend. Let's talk about this stuff, let's talk about life, let's talk about hair, makeup, God, everything, okay? Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to, catch up with me real time and on other social media platforms, it's all in the link. It's all in the links below. Or you could just click Angel and Light right here. Okay, that's it. All right, bye guys.